Hi, good evening, guys. Welcome to the YouTube channel TVS Start Rocket. Today, I am going to demonstrate how to restore a database from the SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio. Now, open the SSMS, enter the credential, click on the database, and select the database which you want to restore. I am restoring a database data sculptor. Click on the data sculptor database. Now tasks, select restore and select database. In the files, if you want to relocate the files to another folder, you can. But I am restoring it to a default location. Now click OK. Now the database restore is complete. Thanks for the watching videos. Please like and subscribe my channel for more tutorials and demos.